Chef DRAESEL here, doctor. Nice to meet everybody. What I want to do right now is I want to tell you a little bit about how me as a chiropractor has evolved utilizing medical doctors, nurse practitioners, because literally I don't want to limit, I want to continue to be able to grow as much as we can. Chiropractically, we do so many things that others don't. We have axial spinal decompressions that can potentially get you away from surgery. We actually have something called an electroanalgesic machines made by Neuromed. The design is literally to get the nerve pain down, great with peripheral neuropathy. We utilize diode lasers, which is amazing. It's used for pain management, used for a lot of different things. We also are one of probably the few that literally mix ozone therapies with PRP, with stem cells derived from biological allografts, or even derived from your own adipose tissue. You know, we definitely take the physical medicine approach all the way up the ladder, because what we have is a full-on team. You know, we have a new medical director that is a physical medicine rehabilitation doctor. We have a nurse practitioners here, one that's board certified in pain management. You know, so with chiropractic, we try our best not to have to utilize any steroids, anything. Sometimes we have to with my team because things are so acute. But generally, we look more at a regenerative approach. Why regenerative? Our body has an innate intelligence to heal itself. It just needs the catalyst. And it needs somebody that knows how and where to apply the best regenerative median to get the best benefits. So with regenerative medicine, it's kind of a very new medical type of system, because it's regenerating not only the joints, we regenerate hair, you know, we regenerate sex performance. You know, there's so many aspects to regenerative medicine. And by the way, this field of medicine is continuing to grow, and that's why we also have training centers here where we actually train some of the more advanced things, so that we actually have other providers outside of our clinic that's able to help the rest of this community. Because how we feel is that there is no reason to be just funneled into the AMA's medical model. There is definitely a benefit to be in there, but also a benefit to know when we can actually use natural things in order to regenerate the body, so that you're not just putting a Band-Aid on it, you're healing. So thank you guys. I'd also like to talk to you today about longevity medicine, because longevity medicine is something that is really dear to me, because not many people truly understand how important it is when we get older to actually have a good quality of life. You know, and even if we're not older, I am a high performance individual, so I notice that I usually end up in what's called adrenal fatigue, you know, because I'm actually running from a lion a lot. So we have technologies here like Clarity Direct, which is a direct feedback that tries to get you out of fight or flight. You know, we have another therapies here that I really like, which is IV infusions using something called NAD+. It's pretty hard to pronounce, but nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. It is the cofactor to vitamin B3. This particular cofactor is amazing because what it's really doing is it's getting down to a cellular level to increase the length of your telomere. And now, if you know what the telomeres are, now we're getting down to the DNA. And at the end of every DNA strand, you have a telomere. When we chronologically age, that telomere starts to diminish. So in essence, if we can increase the length of the telomere, we can increase the length of your life. Now, why is it important for that if you don't have a healthy life? I don't think I'd want to live to 120 if I'm in pain. So what do we do here? We not only work on how we can extend cellular life, work on mitochondria, but we also want to make sure your body is mobile. And when you have really good physical therapy, chiropractic care, we do mobility first, we do stability next, and we do strength. And when we live in this model, you'll continue to heal yourself because the body has an innate intelligence to do so. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you in our Innovative Medical Wellness Clinic. We are located in North Miami Beach, very, very close to Biscayne Boulevard, so it's the east aspect of North Miami Beach, allowing us to get to about 5 or 6 municipalities quite easily. So you know those municipalities, come see us. All right, thank you very much.